Garment worker productivity. Introduction. Hi everyone, my name is Rihab Badawi, a master degree in applied data science. My project look at data from a garment factory. We focus on day-to-day operation like team size, incentives, and ideal time to find out what actually drive productivity. The goal is to help manager and HR to make a better decision based on data. Research question. In this slide, I'm sharing the main question that guided my project. I wanted to explore which variable like overtime, team size, or incentives have the biggest effect on productivity. I also look at how productivity is changed by day or department, and if we could predict it using combination of these variables. Uh, this question helps shape the direction of the work analysis. Purpose of the analysis. In this slide, I explain why did this analysis. We wanted to understand what help or hurt productivity in the factory. By finding clear pattern, we can give uh, helpful to suggestion to manager and HR, like if better planning makes a real difference. Distribution of the data. Productivity is the highest midweek, especially on Wednesday. Saturday has the lowest staff count, and there is no data for Fridays, hence no work was scheduled. Distribution of SMV standard mean value. SMV tells us how long tasks take. Most are in normal range, but a few outliers could slow team down and affect their output in outliers. Missing unavailable WIP data and here working in progress. Many work in progress entries are missing. They reduce how accurate the analysis can be. This is probably from problem with the data entry or recording at the factory. The blue chart showing missing value and the red chart showing available data. Productivity over time by team. This slide show how overtime related to productivity. We might think working more hours help, but that's not always true. Some teams work a lot but had low productivity. So more hours doesn't always mean better results. Team size. We we look at if a large or small size mean higher productivity. But this wasn't always true. The plot and details showed that small teams and slightly better average productivity. So size alone doesn't tell us much. This confirms what better planning and consideration are more effective. Impact of incentives and on productivity. As this is one of our clearest findings. High incentives lead to better and more suitable productivity. We use plot and Take compare the two groups. The results show clear difference in average productivity. This means high incentives are likely helping. Incentives and idle time vs productivity. Uh, the regression plot help us see how incentives and idle time affect productivity. On the left side, you can see that the incentives create productivity also increases. On the right side, we see the opposite for idle time. More idle time lead to lower productivity. This pattern helps explain where to focus for better results. Team size over time vs productivity. As shown from the regression plot, team size has almost no effect on productivity. The trend line is flat. This means that the largest team don't necessarily perform better. The same goes for overtime, where we see slight negative trend. So, adding hours or team members might not boost results. This confirms what we saw earlier. But better planning and coordination are more effective. Recommendation. Based on what I found, I suggest reducing idle time, using incentives with clear purpose. Also, instead of adding more overtime or increasing team size, focus on better planning and coordination. For manager and HR teams, this insight can help both manager and HR planning shift, reducing idle time, and using data to track progress can make a big difference. Conclusion. This project help us see what really works. With better planning and trust work, team can do more. Get help manager make smarter decision, not just doses. Thank you.